doing a science experiment. Today's experiment is color-changing liquids. Our ingredients are red cabbage powder, baking soda, citric acid, and water. We will also be needing 3 test tubes, a stirrer, and 2 measuring spoons. First, we will be filling this test tube We will also be filling the next test tube. Now, we are going to be adding a little bit of red cabbage powder. Wow, looks beautiful! We'll be needing to use the other spoon because we can't use this spoon because we already used the cabbage powder with it. Now, we will be filling this test tube with a bit of water. Now, put some citric acid in this test tube. We will be needing 3 sticks to stir the 3 different liquids because we don't want to contaminate them. First, let's use this stick to stir the red cabbage powder. Now let's use this one to stir the baking soda. Now we're going to use this stick to stir the citric acid. The red cabbage juice into the baking soda test tube and the citric acid test tube. Wow! See how this test tube is blue and this test tube is purple. This one is the baking soda test tube and this one is the citric acid test tube. See, after a while the citric acid liquid has turned red. I'm going to explain why this happened. The cabbage juice is an acid-base indicator. When I put it into the base, it becomes another color, and when I put it into the acid, it becomes another color. So the baking soda is a base and the citric acid is an acid. Now let's do something fun. Let's mix the base and the acid and let's see what happens. First, I'm going to add the base. Now, I'm going to be pouring the acid into the cup. See, the color in the cup is almost the same as the color in the test tube. When I added the acid and the base, they neutralized each other. So we don't have any more acids or bases left. The acid and the base formed water. and the color changed back to the original cabbage juice color. I hope you had fun and learned something new by watching this video. Bye!